Hello friends, welcome back my channel. I hope you are doing great. Today I am sharing with you mobile phone. Mobile phone is a good, yeah, bad. Yes. You are use this the mobile phone. You are get this the knowledge. Yeah. And bad thinking is a you are only scrolling and you are watching this the only video, and you are watching this the game. Yeah. And you are playing this the game. But is a bad thinking. This is a bad thinking. You are use this the mobile, you are the get this the knowledge. Okay, you are learn this the, you will this the learn any topic, uh, any any languages. You are use this the mobile phone. This is a good thinking. This is a good thinking. Mobile phone is a mobile phone is a most important, but you are use this the mobile good, yeah, bad. Yeah, you are daily only scrolling, you are daily scrolling, and you will the watching this the video, and you are not focused this the your future, your your no your school life, college life. You are not focusing, you are not focused this the goal, and you are daily use of this the mobile. This is a bad thinking. Mobile phone is a good thing, but you are use this the whatever, what are this the use this the mobile phone. How this the use of this the mobile phone. You are daily you are daily watching this video, watching this the games, and your mind is disturbed, and you are not focused this the your goal. You are not focused this the your study. This is a bad thinking. This is a bad thinking. You are used this a mobile phone, but this is a limit. You are not limit this the cross. You are not cross this a limit. Yeah. You are daily use of this the mobile phone. You are frustrated. You are negative thinking. You are disturb your mind, and you can uh, you could do, you could do, but this is a, this is a disturb your mind, and you are not you cannot do, you cannot do things, and you can you can you can learn these the new things, and you cannot confidence, you cannot confidence, but you will ignore this the mobile phone, ignore this the mobile phone. You stop this the notifications, you will stop this the notifications, and you are uh, you are learn this the you are learn this the uh, you are learn this the lesson, you are learn this the no sorry, you are you are focus is the study, and you are other ways you are 30 minutes 15 minutes you have used this a mobile phone, but you are not a lot of use this the mobile phone. You are not focused this the, you will not focus this the your career. Mobile phone is a get this the knowledge. Mobile phone use the get this the knowledge, but this is the bad thinking. This is lot of mobile. You are focused is the career, you are focused is the uh, future, and your life is a better. Yeah, you are not use of this the mobile phone. Mobile phone you have you are learn this the lesson, you learn this the uh, another things. Yeah, you are practice your daily practice, you learn this the English, and you have first start your front of camera, and your practice, you will be practice your speaking practice. Yeah, but you are not use this the you are not use this the lot of use this the mobile phone. Your mind is a disturb, your negative thinking, you're not positive thinking, you're not understanding. You can do, you will do, but you have try, you have try, and you have used this the mobile phone. Your good thing, you will be good things. You are used this a mobile phone, and mobile phone is a not a bad. This is a lot of knowledge, not of lot of knowledge, and lot of other faculties knowledge, and you are understanding. You are another things you learn about this the mobile phone. Yeah, okay. Mobile phone is a not bad thing, and good thing this mobile phone, but you are use this the mobile phone good things. Okay, thank you watching this my video, and you can do and you can speak, and I will find this my mistake. You will message for me. Yeah, bye bye, thank you.